Hey guys, this is Rahul here, and today we are going to see the project details for the monthly sales report. Over here, I am going to create a Google sheet in which we are going to jot down the monthly sales report, and we are going to compute the net sales amount and the total amount of all the sales that we have there. So I have already gone to the website of Google Sheets, and here I have wrote down all the column names, that is the item number, bill date, item category, name, quantity sold, unit price, total amount, discount percent, and the net amount. And here I have written some of the random dates, and in serial wise I have written the item number. So first condition, it was told to me that you should have the four categories. So over here I have wrote four categories, that is fruits, vegetables, groceries, and clothes. Okay. So for this, first I'm going to add it. So for adding, I will go to data. In data, I will go in data validation. In data validation, I will click over here, and then I will select the item. So here I have this. So you can see that select data range has came. So I will select this whole data range, and then I will simply click on OK. So when I click on OK, so I'm given this, that list of range. So show warning, yeah, so it should show warning. Okay, and drop list should come, and should it show some validation text? Yes, it should show. So the validation text that it should show is select from the list. Okay, so the list that is given to it, from that the customer or we should select. So let us write down save. So now over here you can see this arrow, so it will show. Suppose now I want to take fruits, so I will take suppose mango, and mango, I'm sorry. And quantity sold, suppose I have took half a dozen, that is 6 mangoes, and unit price is suppose they were of 100 rupees. Okay, and so 100 rupees each I am taking Alfonso, so they are a bit costly. So the total amount will be quantity into unit price. So before going to that, let us first fill out the all the item categories and the names. So here then I have, suppose I am taking this item categories to all of this. So over here I will take suppose vegetables, and here I need to take suppose groceries, here I will take clothes, and again here I will take vegetables. So in vegetables, suppose I have took ladyfinger. So suppose I have took 1 kg ladyfinger at the cost of 50 rupees. Then in groceries, suppose I have took oil, and I have took again oil, that is 1 liter, and it cost me around 120 rupees. Then I have took clothes. I have took suppose a t-shirt, and the quantity I have took 3 t-shirts, and one t-shirt was of rupees 250. Okay, and then in vegetable I had took brinjal. Now I have took suppose 6 brinjals, and a brinjal was of 15 rupees. And so then I have to compute the total amount for each. So as we know that total amount is quantity into sold price, so I can simply write this as equal to, first I will select this cell, and then I will put a multiplication sign, and then I will select the unit price, and then I will press enter. So I will get here 600. So similarly I can do it for all. So I just need to drag it down, and it will be computed. See, you can check it. 1 into 50 is 50, 1 into 120 is 120, 3 into 250 is 750, and so on. So, and now suppose now I have been given a discount of suppose 5% over here on the Alfonsos, because it was a great season. But on ladyfinger I didn't get a discount, so it was 0. In oil I got a 2.5% discount, and over here on the t-shirts I have got suppose 12% discount, and on brinjal again I got 1.5% discount. So this was the discount. So now I need to compute the net amount. So how will I compute the net amount? Over here it was told to us that the formula is total amount minus total amount into discount percentage. So similarly over here I will write down the formula first as the usual, I will put an equal to sign. Then I need to take the total amount. From total amount I need to subtract the total amount again into the discount, and then I need to put a percentage sign. Fine guys, so I need to press enter, and so I have will given that the net amount that I will get the product is 570. And then suppose I need to find the net amount for all this, so just I will drag it down and I will get the calculated value of the net amount for all this. So this was simple as that. Now suppose I need to write down the name of my supermarket. Suppose I went in Big Bazaar, so I will write down Big Bazaar over here. And now suppose I need to bold it, I need to change the font to 24, and so I need to merge 2-3 columns or rows. First I will merge this much. So for merging I just need to click on this and it will be get merged. Okay, you can see that now there is no such one cell. This whole has converted into one cell. Now suppose I need to bring it to the center, so I will click it over here and it has came to the center. And then suppose if I need to find the here also I will merge this cells and I will write down that this merged, and I will write down this grand total. Again I will do some editing things, that I will bold it, I will increase the font size, I will make this as Roboto, my favorite font. And then suppose I need to calculate the sum. So for calculating the sum I just need to select this sum function, then I need to select the first entity and then select the last and press enter. So here I get the total of this. And now suppose I need to make this look very good, so what I will do, I will first merge all the cells and then I will make a nice table out of it. So first I will select all this, and now let us make a table. So here I have made a table out of this, and then suppose I need to color it, so I will color this with blue color, and this grand total as always with a gray color, as we have been told in the tutorials. So this was the gray color, and let me bold out this headings, that I will bold this up, and so I am getting this. So this was about the task. Let me check that have I forgotten something. So yeah, it was told to me that you need to color code for each and every category. So conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting I need to color this according to the color. So suppose here I am giving fruits as green color, so this whole column, this I need to make in green color. And over here if suppose I have took vegetables in dark green color, so this vegetables have came in dark green color. Then I am taking oil as in yellow color. Then t-shirt and fancy color, some fancy color, that is this blue color. And then I have again vegetables, so my vegetables were in green color, so I have to get in green color. So basically this is how you do it. And now suppose I need to color this whole section, so if suppose I am coloring it with this color, so see this is how you color it. And so this was all for this guys. I have not made it as fancy as others have made it. It looks simple and it looks great. So this was all about, I think I have covered everything. I have covered data. Oh, I have not covered the data validation point. So let me cover the data validation point. Now suppose this quantity is given over here 6, and now if I want to enter 0 over here, so if I enter 0 over here, so no problem will be shown. See, I can enter 0 and nothing has happened. Okay, but now if I apply data validation to it, so suppose I will select all these columns. So I will first make it as 6, then I will select all these columns. Here I have selected all these columns, and then I will go to data, Then I will again go to data validation over here, and then I will set this that it should be a number and the number should be greater than, and here I will type 0. Okay, and it should show the warning. And what warning it should show? That enter a number greater than 0. Fine. So then I will save it. Now just see what happens if I write over here 0. So I have just ignored the warning, I have entered 0, and then I have pressed an enter. So here it is showing me that invalid input must be greater than 0. So see, it has shown me that it is an invalid objection, and it has given me that the input must be greater than 0. So if I press over here 1, so there is nothing, no invalid condition. See, it has accordingly changed all the things, and so I have got it. So guys, this was all about the project details for the Google spreadsheets. I hope that it is clear to you. And I can again color it if you wish. So let me color it. It was a very light color. And then suppose I again need to color it to something like this, and I will color this headline with another color if you wish. So this has been colored with an yellow color, and let me color this too. So guys, this is how you do all these things. I hope it is clear to you. I have just shown you all the details and all the conditional formattings, all the valid conditions, and how we sum, how we give discount, what are the simple formulas. So thank you guys, this was all, and I am sorry for this background, but I am at home, so I could not arrange a great background for it. I hope you understand. Bye bye.